Okay, this video, I already did one before and it was way too long and YouTube didn't like it, so I'm going to have to move quickly and get you through some creating web pages, modifying web pages fairly quickly here. So the first one always is the home page. We have a stock picture here and some text that was automatically provided, and I'm going to, you're going to see a sweater down here that I uploaded earlier just to play around with the photos, but let's forget about that. I'm going to launch the admin console, and they kind of stick the home page in a weird area. It's under club website settings, so there's actually three places to get at web pages. There's club website settings for the home page only. If we scroll down, you'll see it. It's right there, this little window. We'll come back in just a moment. The other location is, you click here, default web pages. This is the contact us page, the directions page, and a few other default template web pages that comes with the site. And then the third location is custom web pages, and we're going to go there at the end of this video to show you how to create custom web pages. You can create an unlimited number of them, and you can choose to make them public or members only access. So let's go back to where the home page is, under club website settings. Scroll down, and you can stretch this editing window, make it bigger. And the great thing about modifying websites nowadays is you could do it almost just like a Word document. You don't have to learn HTML code or anything like that. So if you want to change this, you want to change the language in here, and you can just say, welcome to Seriously Funny Toastmasters Club. This is where you learn how to use humor in your presentations. And then you can put all your other information in there. You can highlight, you can underline. We'll just change the color real quick. I think it's already bold. Anyways, you'll just have to play around with this. Here we go. Here's the colors. Text color. Let's make it bright green. Looks a little weird, but anyways, you get the point. The photo, the stock photo, you can just click it and hit your delete button on your keyboard, and it'll disappear. If you want to add a, so I'll get rid of this sweater and I'll stick it back in there just to show you how to add a photo. So I've already, matter of fact, I'm going to have to actually upload a brand new photo into the system to show you, because you have to upload a photo into the server before you can ever use it on your website. So where is it? There should be a little picture icon. Here we go. Click on that. Now normally you'd think just click Browse Server and you'd find it on your computer, but this isn't Browse Computer, it's Browse Server. So before you can browse the free Toast servers for your photo, you have to first upload it into the server. And it's kind of weird, but let's click Upload, Browse. So you find a photograph somewhere on your computer or wherever it may be, and I'm just going to pick some miscellaneous photo off of my wife's computer. Man, I'm all over the place. Let me go into decoration and food. Here, I'll put up an old photo of my old car. How about that? Cool little Hyundai. Alright. So send it to the server. This is actually sending that image to the free Toast host servers somewhere in another state. I don't know. It's successful. So now that it's on the server, now I got to take a second step and browse the server to find the photo that I just uploaded, and now connect it to my website, because the photos don't actually sit in your website, they sit on a server somewhere. And now we're just linking our site, or linking the photo to the site. You could change the height, the width, mess around with the border, mess around with the spacing a little bit, and here's a little alignment thing, so I'll stick it over on the left. You hit OK. There we go. So even though it looks like the photo is sitting on your website, it's technically sitting on a server in some other place, and it's just being displayed on your website. That's how that whole thing works. So after you get done throwing some photos up there, you like what you see, you just hit save, and we just modified our home page. So I'm going to close it and jump to the home page real quick, just so you can see what it looks like. And there we go. We just modified the home page. So now we're going to launch the admin console again, and we're going to modify one of the default website pages. And looks like so also here in this you can set club contacts, because there's a link on your home page that says club contact. When a non-member clicks that, it gives them a little form, and it says please type your name, your email address, your phone number, and we'll get back to you. So who does that web form go to? It goes to whoever you select here. So I previously selected Steve Jones, the president, from our membership list, and check this box. This member will accept prospect phone calls, and myself as well. So there you go. Whenever someone fills out that form to contact us, it sends us an email message automatically with their contact information, and we get in touch with them. If you use the mentor-mentee request link on the website, if you have it turned on, then you can pick any one of the members to be that contact, and they'll get automatically emailed. So now, meeting information and directions, that's a very important page. I pre-populated in some information so we didn't waste a lot of time. You just type whatever you want in there, and parking directions from whatever major intersection or freeway, get all that stuff in there. And here's something pretty cool. It's called the Google Map iframe, so I'm going to delete it just to show you how to do it. I know it looks like it's coded and complicated, but I'll make it easy for you. So I'm going to open up Google Maps real quick, and let's just say your club address, and I'm going to pick some arbitrary address, but let's just believe it's your club. I'll do this one. 222 Club Hyde Street, San Francisco. Let's just believe that that's the address for your club. And you move this map around a little bit. You can zoom in, and you get a major freeway in there so people can kind of get a visual. And when you get the map the way you want it, then you click on this link up here in Google Maps, and you want to copy the second link down here. It says paste HTML to embed in the website. So just click it one time and it should highlight the entire string. I'm going to click it one time. Boom. Now I'm going to copy it. I just copied it. I'm going to go back to our website, and I'm going to plug that entire coded string into there and paste it. And it's a long string, but it's all pasted in there. So now I'm going to hit save, And again, at the top it says success, information updated, close window or select a new area. So I'm going to go ahead and close it and show you what we ended up with in the meeting information directions. So this is the page we just worked on. So we click on it. We got that same information that I showed you before. And look at that. We got a cool map that shows up automatically just the way you wanted it. Alright, let's create one more custom page real quick. Just show you how it's done from oh, I'm sorry, we didn't create a custom page yet. That's where we're going next. Okay, create custom web page. You can make up whatever your heart desires. If you want to make up a, let's say a club new idea brainstorming list. So let's just call it club brainstorming list. So here's where your content goes. Club, this is going to actually be the web page. Brainstorming list. And guess what? I also want this to be the name of the page, so I'm going to copy it, paste it in here. Actually, that's the link title. I'll copy this. I'll paste the same thing in the page name and web page description. You have to fill in all these things. I'll just make it. Oops. Let's make it brainstorming. And keywords again. Brainstorming. It's supposed to be for the web search engines if you make it a public page, but they're going to force you to fill something in there. So okay, here you get to choose members only, or private, or public access. So let's make this one private because it's club brainstorming and we don't want to share that with the world. Okay, so anyways, if you want to add some more content in at this time, video tape all, oops, speeches, do round robin evaluations, etc., etc., etc. You can create as many custom pages from scratch that you want and put whatever content on there, and you can choose it to be public or private for members only. I just saved it, said it was successful up at the top. I'm going to close it. I'm going to close the admin console, and let's scroll down to the members only section, and we should have, I'm going to refresh the screen. And I'm looking for my new page. Oh, I accidentally clicked public, and it shows up right here, club brainstorming list. So I can go back in there and change it to private. Go into custom pages. Go down to club brainstorming public. Change it to members only private. Hit save. Hit close. Close the portal. And it should end up down in the members only section. Here it is, club brainstorming list. Click on it. There it is, members only. Creating a custom page. So there you go. Hope you have a good time.